are back with a great veggie side dish that can dress up any main course.
And we've got a recipe that's sure to have everyone asking for seconds. Cauliflower is on the menu this morning. Let's grab a bite with Belkys.
Hey guys, looking for a way to eat more vegetables? I've got a great recipe that you're gonna love that's gonna get you to achieve that goal. We're making cauliflower steaks today, so let's do it. For this, you're gonna need a whole cauliflower, butter, sugar, red pepper flakes, some marjoram, lemon juice, some fresh mint, and salt. I've got an entire cauliflower here. I trimmed the bottom as best I could, and now I'm gonna take it and cut it in thick slices. Try to keep it together. That is cauliflower steak. We're gonna take these big pieces and put them on a baking sheet that I sprayed with a little bit of butter spray. I've got butter here that I melted, and to this I'm gonna add some fresh mint. We've got some marjoram, which is sort of like a lighter, gentler oregano. We've got a pinch of red pepper flakes. If you don't like spicy, leave it out altogether. We've got a little bit of sugar, a pinch of salt, and the juice of half a lemon. And now I'm just blending this all together. And now we just take a brush and brush it on our cauliflower steaks and get it all on there really well. We've got our oven set at 400 degrees. Those go in for about 30 minutes or so. Keep an eye on them till they're nice and roasted. Okay, these guys are roasted. Now we're just gonna plate them. Eat your veggies. You'll wanna have these cauliflower steaks. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nerey. Buon appetito.
You can find more information on this and other recipes on our website, WSVN.com. Just click on Entertainment and then on Bite. Get that cauliflower. That's also where you can dig into Belkys' Bite blog.